Have you ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes when you perform a factory reset on your phone or computer? In this video, we'll break down the technical process. At its core, a factory reset is a digital clean slate. It wipes your personal data and returns the device to its original, out-of-the-box state. To understand the process, think of your device as being divided into two main sections: the user space, where your data lives, and the system space, which holds the operating system. When you initiate a reset, what disappears? Your personal files, photos, third-party applications, custom system settings, and your encryption keys and passwords are all permanently erased. However, some things survive the wipe. The base operating system and firmware remain intact, along with any cloud backups or data stored on physical SIM or SD cards. It's important to distinguish between these actions. A soft reset fixes glitches without wiping data. A factory reset wipes user data while keeping the system, and a full disk format clears everything, including the OS. After the wipe, how does the device recover? It uses a hidden recovery partition, which contains the essential files needed to reinstall a fresh copy of the operating system. The time it takes to reset depends on your storage. Solid-state drives typically complete a wipe in about 30 minutes, while a secure wipe on a traditional hard drive can take 2 hours or more. Does a reset remove all malware? It removes about 92% of it. However, rare cases like firmware rootkits can potentially survive the process. So when should you reset? If you're selling the device, it's essential for privacy. If it's just glitching, try a soft reset first, and reserve the factory reset as a last resort. Remember, a factory reset is a one-way door. Cloud sync is not the same as a complete backup, so always back up your data locally before starting. Many modern devices feature factory reset protection. This security measure requires the original owner's account password to unlock the device after a hardware reset. In enterprise environments, IT administrators use mobile device management, or MDM, to manage and reset thousands of company-owned devices simultaneously. While the systems differ across Windows, Apple, Android, or Chrome OS, the path to finding the reset option is generally found within your main system or general settings menus. To summarize, the framework is simple. Secure your data first, allow the device to destroy the user space and keys, and then let it rebuild from the recovery partition for a fresh start.